You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 3/10. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the fraction. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 9/10. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 3/10.